Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2014 Chevrolet Cruze. This four-door, five-passenger sedan is waiting for you to take home. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and an efficient four-cylinder engine. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. Chevrolet prioritized comfort and style by including leather upholstery, variably intermittent wipers, heated seats, fully automatic headlights, and one-touch window functionality. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including head curtain airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, OnStar, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.